Hey, it's Keith from KG's Garage. Thanks for coming back. It's going to be a really quick video of how to replace the coil pack on a Chevy Sonic, I think the Cruise, and whatever else has this Ecotec 1.8 liter in it. So first of all, you just pry this up, take this cover off. You take, there's T40 bolts, take the two out. One here. Then you pull this, let me get it, tools. You get this little orange piece, pry it backwards. And that lets you push this, and then you just pull the connector off. And oh, you will believe me, I'm gonna pull it off, but I need two hands, so let me do this with two hands. Finally got it. Put the screwdriver here, pry it down. This has to be popped up a lot, and then you just pull it back, and then you pull this out. And the reason why I'm replacing this, I took this off before. Maybe I'll put a picture in there. There was all oil inside these where the spark plugs are, and you can see this one is kind of burnt, and there was oil all inside these things. This seal is shot. These seals look pretty bad too. So I don't know. Maybe it does not need to be replaced, but it's not going to hurt. Things never had any of this stuff replaced before, so now you just take it, just push it down, get your connector. Connector goes on a lot easier than it came off. Whoops, nope. Maybe it's got to go a little bit more. Okay, two hands again. Yeah. All right, so I just pried it on there, and now this goes down, this goes there. This thing's so hard to get off, I don't think you need the extra snap. Anyway, then you put the two bolts back in. One. I'm just going to snug it. Yep, tight. Oh, this is not tight. Okay. Then put this back on. Just like that. You're all set. New coils. If there was a bad coil, you probably would have a code in the computer. The light might be on the dash, and then it would say, you know, whichever one, cylinder one misfire or whatever it would be. And this would fix that. Instead of spark plug wires and all that kind of stuff with a separate coil like in the old days, this is what they do now. So there we go. And I'm just going to take this and toss it. The car has 144,000 miles on it. I'm just going to chalk it up to this being part of a tune-up. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.